Hello everyone, and welcome to the world of creating unique figures. I'm Simin, and I'm passionate about the art of creating figures of popular characters from around the world. On this channel, I aim to create figures of influential and iconic people, and I'll be sharing videos of exciting parts of the creation process with you. Here I have a figure of Charlie Chaplin that I made earlier, and I'd love to show it to you. I've always been a perfectionist, but I'm learning to accept that art, even if it's not perfect, is still valuable and beautiful. Because art comes from the heart and emotions, not from flawless perfection. So, I'd love for you to join me in this creative journey. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with me, and let me know which characters you'd like us to create together. Thank you.